Hi guys. So guys, my hand is dirty because I was eating rice. Guys, remember my first video where I ate sorry guys, where I drank and ate some things with it, the hot sauce. Oh my god guys, I found something more hotter than the hot sauce. I'm gonna bring it and show it to you guys. It's so spicy, man. I'm gonna show you. It's mutton. It came from a goat. It's so spicy. This doesn't look so spicy. I have a little bit of carrot so to get over the spice. So guys, I will not bring the hot sauce with it. Close the door. Okay. These don't look so hot like spicy. They're too much spicy. So guys, I have 5 of these. No, 6 of these. I'm gonna eat it. Wait. 1. I'm gonna bake some pieces because it's so spicy, so I'm gonna eat it. Oh, where's the carrot? Where's the carrot? Where's the carrot? Oh no. Oh, I cannot. Oh. I'm gonna take I'm gonna take small bites of the carrot because the carrot is so small. I'm gonna. I have to forward the video. I can handle the spice. Holy shit. Guys, I cannot remove this. Only 3% remaining. The last. Oh, I married the carrot. Guys, these are not. Oh, sheesh.